Crazy skills. Idiots in the car. The powerful impact crushed the car, vividly illustrating the severe consequences. The M5 truck tires suddenly exploded with a loud bang. The vehicle shook violently as the driver quickly steadied the wheel to avoid losing control. Another miscalculation by some fool. A cement truck was suddenly swallowed by a massive sinkhole on the road. The ground collapsed, dragging the entire vehicle into the deep pit. Impressive craftsmanship. The sharp saw sliced through the massive cedar trunk. Within seconds, the tree trembled slightly before crashing down, echoing through the forest. The crane operator demonstrated exceptional skill and lightning-fast reflexes. He handled the situation with precision, keeping the crane stable and preventing a serious incident. What a hilarious yet unfortunate situation. Oh, the powerful Fendt 930 Vario and AHWI M650 grind through stumps, crushing hardwood into sawdust in no time, making cleanup highly efficient. Wow, the powerful tractor pulls its teammate out of the thick snow. The wheels spin, the cable tightens, and little by little the stuck tractor breaks free. The demolition of the Bossa silo begins as heavy machinery smashes through chunks of concrete. The structure gradually collapses, sending dust billowing into the air. In no time, the silo is reduced to rubble.
Oh my gosh, look how different it is.
That worked off.
Stay here, boys.
The transportation of laminated plywood from Bergdorf to Barrowmünster went smoothly. The heavy-duty truck carefully navigated the long route, ensuring the wood arrived safely and on time. The RV overturned on I-5 in Mount Vernon, blocking the lane. Debris was scattered everywhere, causing traffic disruption. A completely one-sided showdown. A dash cam captured a truck collision in Kanagawa. The truck crashed into 4 cars, then slammed into a utility pole before coming to a stop. The pole fell, hitting 2 more vehicles, causing chaos on the road. The Uringhausen Valley Bridge in Olpe was demolished in a controlled explosion. A thunderous blast echoed as the concrete structure collapsed into a thick cloud of dust. Debris fell while the construction team closely monitored the process, ensuring absolute safety. Due to oversized transport, the truck's engine caught fire as it struggled to climb the steep slope. An incredibly intense showdown. Which vehicle do you think will win? Drop your guesses in the comments below. Alelis transported towheads through Invergordon and Wick in a stunning display of skill, showcasing remarkable professionalism and engineering expertise on the roads. Oh no! Could it be that the driver fell asleep while driving? European trucks struggle to conquer the harsh hills. Engines roar, wheels slip on steep slopes, testing their power and durability. Every meter of the journey is a battle against the terrain. Unbelievable how ridiculous. The Komatsu 901XC, equipped with the C93 cutting head, swiftly takes down large trees. Its sharp blades grip the trunk tightly, making a clean cut in just seconds. The tree falls neatly, showcasing the machine's impressive power and efficiency. The improper towing setup caused the heavy machinery to become unbalanced. The bulldozer suddenly tipped over, startling the operator. The incident happened quickly, creating a dangerous and chaotic situation. Subscribe to our channel to see more exciting moments. The powerful VTN scrap shear CI 7000 tears through a bulldozer, swiftly slicing through its steel frame. With immense cutting force, it reduces the bulldozer to a pile of scrap metal in no time. This is a Beano beaver with shiny brown fur and bright eyes. Do you know what Uncle Beano is planning? It turns out that Beano decided to build a solid dam to protect the nest and create a lake for the animals. A plant-powered machine arrived at a tree on the bank of a stream in Saskatoon and quickly chewed through the tree in just 10 minutes. With his ingenuity, Beano K3 knocked down the tree and started building the project, turning the idea into reality. Today, Mr. John stood in front of large trees blocking the way. Instead of worrying, he pulled out the Dipper Fox SC850 Pro, and in just a few seconds, the machine cut through tree stumps like bamboo. Min was surprised by its power and wondered, what else can this machine do? The road quickly becomes clear, opening up exciting new possibilities. Wow, the most powerful and modern old stump removal process I have ever seen. Be prepared and pay close attention as two trucks carrying logs are speeding downhill. Make sure to control your speed and keep a close eye on the road ahead to handle any unexpected situations. Johann Offner Holz Industry, a long-standing family-owned company in Austria, specializes in sustainable wood processing with modern CNC technology. They turn thick wooden panels into precise and sophisticated details, especially thick wood, which requires high technical specifications. Their products not only meet technical standards, but also have natural beauty, warmth, and luxury. In a rural village, Mr. Wones, a legendary farmer, created cassava tubers that made the whole world stop and admire. Every day, he not only put his hands to work, but also asked himself, who will dare to try growing cassava like me? And then, when the harvest season came, the large, round, golden cassava roots made the merchants who came to buy them admire them, even thinking that Mr. Wones was the inventor of cassava. The businessman realized that it was not money, but his passion and talent that made the difference. The question is it true that in every profession, only people like Mr. Wones truly reach the top? Difficult terrain cannot stop the 6'6" logging truck equipped with a Nissan Diesel V10 engine that provides outstanding stability and power. Designed to easily negotiate muddy roads, the 6x6 powertrain helps the vehicle overcome any challenge with amazing ease. In a rare scene, Mr. Mikata, one of Japan's last traditional loggers, conquers the Tono forests with his horse. With many years of experience, Mr. Mikata continues the tradition of logging by horse. In the quiet space of the forest, the sound of the axe echoes. The precious moment recreates the time when humans and animals work together. Mibor HTZ 1300 Plus is a speed monster in the saw world, with sharp saw blades and dizzying rotation speed, helping to turn rough logs into smooth boards in a snap. This machine not only doubles or triples productivity compared to other machines, but also ensures absolute accuracy and minimizes waste. How can sturdy round logs be split into such evenly cut pieces of wood? The secret lies in the machine Malka's Skaldtage, a powerful tool in the wood processing industry. With hydraulic power of up to 22 tons, the machine easily cuts wood into pieces of uniform size, saving significant time and effort compared to using an axe or hammer. From there, improve production efficiency. It is true that transporting timber through winding roads and mountainous terrain is difficult, but a skilled driver and a sturdy truck will help manage this difficult route. Let's imagine a dance between steel and wood, where strength and precision blend together. That is the 600 horsepower Volvo FH16 combined with a Faymanville trailer and an Epsilon crane. The Epsilon crane stretched out like a giant arm, lifting the massive logs with millimeter precision, while the Faymanville tow truck patiently carried them to their new destination. Every move is meticulously calculated, delivering a perfect display of technology and control skills. Are you curious about the secret behind this combination? It's admirable that the MS-881 with its 67-inch saw bar is like a steel monster, ripping tough logs into tiny pieces. The 8.7 horsepower engine roared, releasing streams of hot air, carrying flying wood chips. Each time the saw blade cuts through the wood, it makes a sharp hissing sound, making people shudder. No piece of wood is strong enough to withstand the devastating power of this chainsaw. Since then, logging has become easier and more effective than ever. Are you cleaning up small pieces of wood, scraps, or leftovers from the woodworking process, like shredded wood, damaged wood, or wood that doesn't meet quality requirements? With the CBI 6400 CT demonstrating the VVV processor. Everything becomes simple. With just a few quick steps, they were crushed unexpectedly. The Alat Kupas Kayu machine is a revolution in the woodworking industry. With the ability to peel wood quickly and accurately, the machine helps save time and production costs significantly. Super sharp cutting blades and modern cooling system ensure product quality is always stable, even during intense work. Whether the wood is hard or soft, the machine handles it with ease. Are you looking for solutions to improve productivity and quality of wood products? The Alat Kupas Kayu machine is the perfect answer. What do you think about this video? Please share now in the comments section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to support me in making more great videos. See you soon. The cedar tree stands tall in the middle of the forest like a natural wall. Conquering this green tower is a tough challenge, requiring a perfect combination of human strength and the support of modern technology. Finally, when the tree falls, we not only feel the majesty of nature, but also admire human intelligence and perseverance. I have seen countless ancient woods before blades, but never have I seen such a majestic scene as this. The JBM 80 tons, with the power of 80 tons, rips stubborn logs into small pieces. The sound of the machine roaring, pieces of wood flying, creating a symphony of power and efficiency. Each blow of the machine carries absolute precision, like a mechanical dance. I feel extremely small in front of this giant machine, but at the same time very proud to work with it. Disaster struck suddenly. The wooden cart lost control, overturned and rushed downhill like a devastating tornado, leaving tons of wood lying scattered and alone in the quiet forest. Everything fell silent. Only anxious eyes were watching, waiting for rescue. The sophisticated patterns on Mr. Santo's wooden products always make people admire. But now, with the support of the Ultra 5-axis CNC wood lathe, his works become even more perfect. Mr. Santo not only preserves traditional values in carpentry, but also knows how to take advantage of modern technology to create new products to meet market needs. The world's fastest tree harvester moves at incredible speeds, cutting through each tree like a whirlwind, making forest harvesting faster than ever. Come to Vermeer BC 2100 XL Wood Crushing Champion. With optimal design and intelligent control system, it crushes wood faster and more efficiently than any other machinery. Two sharp blades, combined smoothly with the chopping system, create an amazing working performance, turning piles of wood scraps into piles of sawdust in just a short time. Don't rush to think this is just a normal tree cutting video. This worker is about to perform a risky felling that will make you unable to believe your eyes. Get ready, because a spectacular surprise is waiting for you. In 1972, the Mack with its Detroit 5.8 engine and Spicer 5X42 lever transmission became legendary. While transporting wood, the vehicle performed a spectacular somersault, affirming the outstanding durability and reliability of Mack heavy trucks. Be careful, a green giant about to fall. With the power of the Varna 390, the engine roars, dust flies. Prepare to suffocate at the moment that majestic tree collapses. As you've probably seen, the guy rescued a bus with his truck. Surely that action demonstrated Ford's superior strength. Oh! A powerful Russian truck crossed a fast-flowing river, proving its durability and reliability in all harsh conditions. It's unbelievable when it does that. One morning, Mr. Wands, a farmer in the suburbs, decided to cut down 2 dry trees near the edge of the field. The trees have been standing for many years, but the harsh, dry season makes it impossible for them to survive. Dry trees are very dangerous, flammable in the summer, he said. With a gasoline saw, he carefully cut and felled trees, avoiding danger to the rice fields. You may not know, John Deere, 1470G and 1510G logging machines have a lifespan of up to 15,000 hours when properly maintained. The 1470G harvests 20 trees per hour and cuts trees up to 91 centimeters in diameter thanks to its wear-resistant steel blade. Even in all climatic conditions, the machine still operates strongly. Do you know how much this machine costs? Imagine an iron monster with crushing jaws open like a shark's mouth, ready to swallow everything. That is Darmstadt DW3060. With a 740 horsepower engine, it roars like a lion, crushing all materials into tiny pieces. The 2-axis rotor system spins crazily, creating a tornado that crushes everything in its way. On February 22, 2024, the Komatsu Forest Demonstration Day in Égletons, France, attracted a large crowd of forest owners, forestry contractors, and experts. The event introduced Komatsu Forest's latest products and services, with live demonstrations of wood harvesting, transport and processing machines, making a strong impression on visitors. With the Style 881 chainsaw and Granberg Alaskan mill duo, woodworkers are empowered to create. No need for electricity or bulky machinery. You can work anytime, anywhere. Picture yourself in the middle of a quiet forest. The Steel 881 saw helps you cut down large tree trunks with ease, while the Granberg Alaskan mill turns rough wood into a smooth scum chair. These two tools offer the ability to turn design ideas into reality right in the wild. Damken KGS, a supercone pruning product from the Netherlands, is a great assistant for professional gardeners. With cutting angles accurate to every millimeter, blades made from durable stainless steel, the machine helps you create tree works. Beautiful scene. Maybe you don't know, in the magical wood kingdom, giant ancient trees are brought back to be crafted into precious gifts. First, the machine's modern will measure and grade them up to 39 feet long. Then, the outer shell is peeled off, revealing the precious core. The iron giants used sharp saws to cut wood into 4 by 4 foot blocks. Finally, after being exposed to the sun and resting, the wood will be strong and ready for new tasks. No more fiddling with stubborn pieces of wood. A wood splitter with a hydraulic motor 5 times more powerful than other conventional machines will help you solve all problems. With modern design and durable working ability, the machine will be your trusted companion for many years. Experience the difference when using a professional wood splitter. Have you ever seen this machine? I have never seen such a powerful self-propelled woodcutter, but with the Log Champ 550, everything becomes incredibly easy. If you want more information about our machines and working processes, leave comment number 1 and we will provide you with information. Don't forget to subscribe to watch interesting and useful videos in modern forestry. The accident of a truck carrying timber was terrible. The truck overturned, tons of timber were scattered everywhere. The chaotic scene made everyone shudder. John and Alex are standing next to a CNC machine in the wood shop. John, a veteran worker, said, "In the past, it took hours to do it manually, but now with CNC, everything is much faster and more accurate in just a few minutes." Alex, a young designer, was surprised to see that the machine created complex patterns on wood with an accuracy of up to 0.1 millimeters. "Unbelievable," he exclaimed. John smiles. CNC opens up countless creative possibilities, helping us make sophisticated works. Both realized that CNC technology had completely changed the wood industry, entire wood industry, bringing perfect and precise products. Are you looking for a powerful, durable, and efficient tractor? The Ursus tractor is the answer. With up to 200 horsepower and a weight of 11,023 pounds, the machine easily handles heavy lumbering jobs. Travel speed reaches 18.6 mph and towing capacity up to 11,023 pounds, saving time and effort. 2WD or 4WD drive system optimizes performance on difficult terrain. With large wheels, the machine has excellent traction, working effectively in mud, snow, or rock. When you need a machine that is both powerful and versatile in the forestry industry, nothing beats the Timberjack 460D skidder. With the ability to tow dozens of tons and an intelligent traction control system, Timberjack handles every task from easy to difficult. In particular, the environmentally friendly design helps protect green forests while still achieving maximum productivity. Timberjack 460D, the perfect ally in every forestry site. Cupico hedge trimmer delivers outstanding efficiency with a 3.4 horsepower motor, helping to do the job quickly and accurately. With the ability to trim neat and even lines, the machine is suitable for a variety of hedge types, from simple to complex, and can handle hedges up to 10 feet in height. The machine is easily adjusted to cut small and large hedges. It cannot be denied that machines have become an effective arm of humans in all fields, especially jobs requiring high strength and precision. Do you agree? In the world of wood artisans, the chainsaw, with a capacity of up to 7 horsepower, becomes a mysterious tool that turns raw logs into living works of art. This chair is created from logs up to 10 feet long and 20 inches wide, meticulously carved with absolute precision. A great adventure that I cannot forget was pulling wood by horse in the forest, crossing narrow ditches. With a pulling power of up to 2 tons per horse, they help harvest wood from hard-to-reach areas. Observing their precision and power in their natural environment is a unique experience. The horses can pull logs up to 6 meters long, creating the perfect combination of nature and manual labor, something not to be missed on this canal. The Japanese Shaka Shaka wood splitter offers a great solution for splitting firewood, even in tight spaces. Firewood is easily split thanks to the mechanism that moves the handle up and down according to the movement of the piston, helping to transmit force directly to the cutting blade. With a smart and gentle design, the machine does not require too much strength, so women and children can also use it safely and conveniently. Do you know how much this machine costs? It has the ability to dig deep and create grooves in the soil, creating favorable conditions for plants to develop roots. Bracket T26 can be attached to many different types of machines, increasing flexibility and ease, used in various forestry activities. With Spaltfix S415 Vario, firewood work becomes easier than ever. Equipped with a powerful saw blade, this machine can cut and split logs up to 41 centimeters in diameter without any difficulty. The cutting and sawing process goes smoothly, saving time and effort. No matter how big or small the logs are, the machine processes them accurately, creating regular pieces of firewood ready for use. Using this machine, you can rest assured about the quality of work. During the demo, the Bobcat T770 combined with the Bandit Forestry mulcher chopping head demonstrated outstanding strength, easy movement on difficult terrain, and effective handling of trees and branches. This combination brings high productivity and efficiency in forest clearance and soil cleaning work. At Richmond, we perform stump grinding in tight spaces, providing ideal access for our Bandit ZT 1844 machine. With only 30 inches of clearance, we can easily move the machine into the area to be treated, performing stump grinding work quickly and efficiently, even in areas with limited space. Take a look at the process of turning raw logs into natural benches and stools for the local dog park. Using an Echo 400 saw with a capacity of 40 cc, the job is completed in about 6-7 hours, although the speed is slower than a high-capacity saw. Although it takes a long time, the end result is beautiful, durable natural wooden chairs, contributing to the rustic beauty of the park. Finally, the Peterbilt vehicle pulling a giant load of wood proves its outstanding strength, easily conquering all roads, whether rough or dangerous mountain passes, bringing absolute confidence in the job of transporting wood. Heavy. Wow! 1,000-year-old cedar trees, giants of the forest, are now experiencing their last moments under the skillful hands of woodworkers. Every blow of his hammer, every cut of his saw is amazingly precise, like a symphony of precision and grace. The moment the massive tree trunks fall, it's like a giant velvet curtain being pulled up, revealing a majestic and mysterious scene, making viewers unable to help but marvel in admiration. After the giant cedar trees were harvested by the lumberjack and transported to the workshop, we admired the CNC lathe at work. With outstanding precision, CNC machines are capable of turning rough wooden blocks into sophisticated details for luxurious bed designs in just a few minutes. The capabilities of this modern technology truly amaze you with the speed and perfection it brings. Incredible! Modern wood chipper machines today have become indispensable tools for those who need to produce large quantities of firewood. With a robust design and outstanding performance, these machines can handle everything from small tree branches to large logs up to 10 inches in diameter. In just 30 seconds, a large log can be shredded, producing up to 4,400 lbs of firewood per hour. Whether preparing for winter or maximizing firewood resources, these machines are the ultimate solution, saving time and increasing efficiency. Too dangerous. A man was lucky to escape death while cutting down a tree when the falling tree trunk pulled on the safety rope, nearly causing him to fall from a height. You can share your thoughts about this video. Please leave feedback for everyone to discuss. Imagine a giant crane gracefully rising high, gently cutting hair for the green trees. That's the ABL Boomversorgung lift at work. With a modern design, the machine easily reaches tree branches in the most difficult locations. It is truly an outstanding improvement in Denisamath technology, with a high-speed rotating rotor system and super hard cutting blades capable of crushing plant biomass into small fragments, creating favorable conditions for the digestion process. Naturally degraded, contributing to soil improvement and environmental protection. At the same time, the machine is also equipped with an effective cooling system, ensuring stable operation for a long time. The TK200 planter is a talented soil worker. With a storage compartment of up to 200 seedling trays, it helps grow thousands of trees quickly. Ruggedly designed, the machine can operate effectively in semi-arid areas and rocky mountainous areas. With excellent mounding ability, suitable for planting northern tree species, helping to speed up the planting process and ensure a high survival rate. The machine is recommended for use with excavators with a tonnage of up to 18 tons, bringing outstanding efficiency in afforestation work. Cleaning up the storm's aftermath at the garden in Miners Bay, Ontario has become easier thanks to Juan's talented hands. With the help of a Style MS441 chainsaw, he quickly removed the broken white pine. The top and hole cutting techniques have helped him completely control the working process, ensuring safety for himself and those around him. The loading of wood into cargo holds at the port of Sculte, Latvia, helps transport birch, pine, and mixed wood firewood to companies such as SIA Revosa for pulp making or supply to the firewood industry. This requires high precision to ensure the wood is not damaged, using equipment such as cranes and trucks during transport across the sea. In your opinion, shaping trees is not just about cutting, but an art that makes them bow before their talent? Not to mention a Walter wood processing line with modern technology that can process wood up to 5,000 millimeter long and 500 millimeters or wide, turning raw wood into smooth and precise boards. The machine is capable of processing a variety of wood types, from hardwood to softwood, serving the production of high-end furniture, wooden floors, wooden doors, and plywood. Back in the forest, we look at the CC wood harvester. What is this Boyes harvester doing? Come close and feel the power of CC Boyes harvester. The roar of the engine echoed throughout the forest, the sharp cuts of the saw blade ripping and severing the tree trunks, creating an impressive scene. With a special design, the machine can operate continuously for many hours without any harm, helping to increase labor productivity and reduce costs. Nawat really impressed with his unique way of using a Jeep winch and spare tire to pull the E-tree stump. This innovative solution is not only effective, but also saves costs and time. Returning to Art Steel TRH-120, a super product of tractor-controlled wood splitting, combining power and perfect precision. With a sophisticated laser-cut 5mm thick steel frame, 25 horsepower motor, and 50mm PTO shaft, the machine handles hardwood with ease. Smart design with detachable table makes it easy to move and use. This is a great assistant for farms and wood factories, helping to improve productivity and product quality. The lumberjacks are hard at work cutting down trees. They can harvest 160 cubic meters of wood within 2 days. This is a job that requires specialized machinery and experienced technicians, helping to ensure efficiency and safety during tree sawing, wood preparation, and transportation. The machinery they use includes STIHL MS 170 harvesters and chainsaws. After the wood is harvested and transported, the Penn's 16 ZP Plus crane plays an important role in effectively unloading and loading the wood onto trucks. With a load capacity of up to 16 tons and a flexible crane design, the machine can lift and move heavy wooden blocks from storage areas to trucks easily. This process is supported by a precise coupling system and a powerful 90 kilowatt motor, which helps control the machine smoothly and quickly, thereby optimizing working efficiency and improving transport productivity. To VV with the power of the Prentice 180, large red pine logs are quickly arranged neatly and accurately. The crane operates smoothly. Each lift is carefully calculated, ensuring no errors occur. The machine's working efficiency has significantly shortened work time and effort. Are we facing giant mountains of wood? Don't worry. There is a powerful assistant called the X118 chainsaw, mounted on the excavator with a range of 1830 millimeter. This is the perfect combination of outstanding power and absolute precision, making wood cutting easy and fast. Whether it's hardwood, softwood, or any type of wood, this duo is ready to conquer every challenge, turning hard work into an inspiring journey. A ruler uproots trees like weeds. A real miracle is happening before your eyes. Admire this 650 forestry milling machine as it works gently but extremely effectively at the base of an old tree. Like magic, this powerful machine handles everything with ease. These forestry milling tools are truly a technological masterpiece, offering the perfect combination of power and precision. You can't help but be impressed, right? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. What do you think about these giant machines? Please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like to support me in making more great videos. In the northern forest, Mr. Kins, an experienced carpenter, prepares to cut down a towering oak tree with a trunk diameter of up to 12 centimeters and a height of up to 30 meters. He uses a powerful chainsaw Husqvarna 572 XP with a capacity of 5.8 horsepower and a rotation speed of up to 9,900 RPM. With low VIB-RR technology to reduce vibration, this saw brings comfort to Mr. Kins despite its weight of up to 6.6 kilos. As the giant oak tree fell, occupying a 10 square meter area, Mr. Kins smiled with satisfaction, knowing that the Husqvarna 572 XP had helped him complete the job safely and efficiently. Ponzi Scorpion. A revolution in the forestry industry. With a powerful 180 horsepower engine, Scorpion easily conquers all terrain, from flat forests to steep hillsides. The intelligent suspension system automatically adjusts the tilt angle of the cabin, giving the driver a comfortable feeling and a panoramic view. Modern design with large windshield maximizes visibility, allowing the driver to work more accurately and efficiently. It's no surprise that the Scorpion has become one of the most popular harvester models globally. Forget worrying about logging. Vail Products or ASV RT120 will help you master any situation. With a strong and smart design, this saw will help you knock down the largest trees easily and quickly. Dragging a ton of wood from remote rural areas is a challenge not for the faint of heart. Drivers must operate trucks weighing more than 60 tons of raw wood on difficult terrain and in harsh weather conditions. They must demonstrate dexterity, patience, and absolute concentration, which requires not only excellent driving skills, but also enduring mental strength. It was thanks to their dedication and courage that this dangerous work could be completed safely and effectively. Ultra 5-axis CNC wood lathe, a revolution in the woodworking industry. With a versatile design, a harmonious combination of chisel and saw blade, and a flexible 5-drive tool change system, the machine provides outstanding machining performance. Every product detail is completed with absolute precision thanks to a modern cutting and sanding system. In particular, automatic conveyors help optimize production processes, improve productivity and product quality. They are using machines to load raw materials onto trucks, serving the production of clean coal, helping to remove impurities and reduce environmental impact, improving efficiency and quality of coal products. Today at Roca del Don, in the village of Camino, Alessandria province, an old poplar forest is being cut down to provide raw materials for the biomass plant. Pezzolato PTH 1200 820 chopper with 520 horsepower and 820 mm chopping width, operated by Valtra S374 tractor. Support vehicles include John Deere 6115R and Fendt 412, combined with Bossini and Crosetto wheel loaders, which help handle material in this large forest area. Mr. Menz, a veteran lumberjack, used a Husqvarna 572 XP chainsaw to cut down a 40-meter-tall eucalyptus tree. With powerful skills and tools, he gets the job done with ease and precision, proving that no challenge is too big. Gatter Multi-BV and Combi Machine, BN160, are two formidable warriors in the wood processing industry, providing effective and precise wood-cutting solutions. With the ability to flexibly adjust the cutting width up to 4 times, Gatter Multi-BV meets a variety of production requirements, from thin wood panels to large blocks of wood. Meanwhile, the Combi Machine BN160 impresses with its impressive cutting height of 160 mm, along with a multi-blade system, helping to increase speed and accuracy during the cutting process. Wow! These ancient trees are as strong as brave warriors, but facing the power of Caterpillar 305.5E2, they must admit defeat. After being plucked from the ground, these trophies were carefully preserved by 289D, gently placed in a bucket, ready for a new journey. Witness firsthand the power of technology as giant machines turn crude logs into uniform chips in the blink of an eye. Modern wood chipping process, precision and efficiency are top priority, creating high-quality raw materials to serve many industries. We hung the birch tree on a nearby tree trunk and chopped it into small pieces to make it easier to control when the tree falls, avoiding damage to surrounding trees. This method is useful for large trees, helping to orient the tree to a safe location and save effort. Imagine the giant Groeneveld Stronken killer, a true assassin for the most stubborn stumps. With a powerful cutting force of up to 286,000 lbf, this Devi 3CE is like a giant pair of steel scissors, with a thick, sturdy blade that extends to a maximum of 39 inches, easily crushing and cutting off any large tree stump. Not only does it clean the surface, the machine also digs deep into the soil, ensuring it leaves no trace of tough tree roots. Combined with a 35-ton excavator, the Stronken Killer can clear up to 30 tree stumps per hour, bringing unbelievable performance to any large-scale project. A powerful tractor carrying the AHY M650 moves to any tree or bush, turning it into ashes in the blink of an eye. With a 25.6-inch diameter rotor and advanced UPT's blade system, the machine easily crushes large tree stumps and trunks, even up to 20 inches. With outstanding productivity, the machine can clean up to 2 acres in just 1 working day. This is truly the monster of the forestry industry. Because the impact power to handle is so great, the noise level of the machine is very large. Just entering the corner, a shrill screech rang out. The wheel suddenly lost control. The car sped up and tilted to one side. Wood chips scattered. Dust filled the air. The driver was stuck in the cabin. Everyone around him panicked and rushed to find a way to help. Are you curious about the giant machines like the Liebherr LTM 1030 crane, the chainsaw, and the Komatsu PC 210 excavator that were used to prune 28 mature trees on Elizabeth Greuterstraat? With the support of modern equipment, this project has helped significantly improve the urban landscape and ensure safety for people. At the same time, the city of Maastricht also pledged to plant new trees to create a greener and more sustainable living space. Let's explore the Mercedes-Benz Actros, a powerful heavy truck equipped with a diesel engine with a capacity from 10.7 L to 15.6 L, delivering a capacity of 400 to 625 horsepower. The vehicle is equipped with a steering system active drive assist, helps support control when moving on difficult terrain. With its traction control system and sturdy suspension, the Actros can haul long logs over bumpy forest roads with ease. Modern car interior with soft seats and driver support technologies, helping to reduce fatigue on long journeys. Wow! The world's fastest tree harvester moves at incredible speeds, cutting through each tree like a whirlwind, making forest harvesting faster than ever. A dead tree, even withered, still holds deadly mysteries. Each swing of the 40FT axe is a confrontation with rotten wooden structures, deep cracks. With just a small mistake, the entire tree can suddenly collapse, directly threatening the safety of the worker and those around him. One autumn day, a group of forestry workers faced a large volume of wood that needed to be processed. With the support of the Albach Diamant 2000, work becomes quick and efficient. The machine has a 612 horsepower engine and the ability to process 100 tons of wood per hour, helping to produce high-quality, low-splintery wood chips. With a four-wheel steering system, the machine easily moves on bumpy forest roads, optimizing biomass production and reducing resource waste. Want to quickly solve obstructing tree stumps without much effort? Let the forest cutter with tungsten carbide blade do it for you. With modern cutting technology, even the most stubborn tree stumps will have to surrender. If you are having trouble with stubborn pieces of wood, the Johnserd 6000 Plus, a giant woodworking machine with incredible power, will solve that problem for you. With its durable gasoline engine, it easily cuts through the toughest wood. Designed to endure tough working conditions, the Johnserd 6000 Plus is the lumberjack's trusted companion, helping them get the job done quickly and efficiently. The John Deere 1270E, with a 300 horsepower engine and precision cutting system, is a powerful warrior in wood harvesting, overcoming difficult terrain with ease. Meanwhile, the John Deere 1110E, with 200 horsepower, high maneuverability, and large load capacity, is a reliable transporter, helping to move wood effectively on rough terrain. Both machines have modern cabins, providing wide visibility and a comfortable working environment, ensuring high performance in long-term work. Come to Jobo and Forst TR6D are two powerful warriors in the forestry industry, each with a special mission. Jobo, with the ability to trim tree stumps up to 70 centimeters in diameter, is like a talented chef, turning stubborn tree stumps into compact pieces that are easy to handle. Meanwhile, Forst TR6D, with a capacity of up to 160 horsepower like a professional miller, can chop large logs, up to 200 millimeters in diameter, into smooth pieces of wood, serves many different purposes in the wood processing industry. The specialized Destoka machine is designed to completely remove the eucalyptus tree stump, creating a clean and loose soil, optimal for new planting. Thanks to that, the new plant will grow stronger and healthier, without competing for nutrients by the old root system. Let's admire LKT-81, with its multi-point towing cable system and powerful diesel engine, easily pulling logs weighing tons over steep hillsides. The ability to work continuously for long periods of time and low fuel consumption makes LKT-81 an economic choice for forestry enterprises. The machine has proven to be very effective in areas such as Liptovský Hrádok, Slovakia, where the terrain is extremely difficult. FarmerTech G 444 Hybrid is a true super saw with a powerful 72cc engine ready to conquer all types of wood, including the toughest red oak trunks. Sharp 20-inch chain blade, combined with advanced ported technology, helps the machine cut through wood quickly and accurately, saving maximum time and effort for users. A unique combination of a Marmix mixer and an FMV crane has created a highly efficient, versatile tool in the forestry industry. With the ability to mix, transport, and crush materials such as tree branches and bamboo, this system not only helps reduce the amount of waste, but also creates high-quality organic raw materials for many different purposes. The precision of the FMV crane combined with the performance of the Marmix machine has provided a comprehensive solution for biological waste treatment activities in forestry. With a huge towing capacity of up to 2x10 tons and a powerful double winch, LKT-82 easily conquers all rugged mountainous terrain. The cabin is sturdy, fully equipped with safety standards, protecting the operator in all harsh working conditions. Flexible design, combined with an intelligent control system, helps the machine operate smoothly and efficiently, meeting all work requirements in the forestry industry. Thank you for taking your time to explore the mysterious world of giant machines. Subscribe to the channel today to open the door to an exciting and potential future. On the rugged cliffs of Colombia, a giant cedar tree stretches out to challenge the sky. The lumberjack, small but steadfast, like an iron warrior, stood before that natural giant. Each cut represents his enthusiasm and strength, and when the tree falls, a shockwave resounds throughout the mountains, like a strong declaration of man before the majestic nature. Wow. Let's watch the professional cutting of 4 dry ash trees by these experts. If you find it interesting, like and subscribe to discover more interesting things. Trees fell precariously on slopes after the storm, creating a dangerous situation. We will follow safety protocols so no one gets close. Let's wait and see. The ancient palm tree, a symbol of longevity, suddenly collapsed, destroying the church roof and making Surfside Christian Fellowship's promising expansion plan a thing of the past, leaving sadness for the entire community. This is a classic example of misjudging the situation. Just a moment of inattention is enough to lead to disaster. Imagine this majestic cedar tree, standing tall after 500 years, each grain of wood recording the story of resilience through generations. To fell trees without affecting the surrounding ecosystem, a team of skilled and experienced loggers is needed. When the tree finally fell, the scene was overwhelming, a moment of power and celebration of nature. Why do regular pull-ups when you can hang them in the air? That's the real challenge. Image of two ancient oak trees in the garden that have stood for hundreds of years, but the stumps have begun to rot. The Lofty Heights tree crew were called in to carefully remove the giant tree's branches without affecting surrounding homes. The sight of tree branches falling to the ground created a resounding sound, causing the whole neighborhood to stir. It's dangerous. A man fortunately escaped death when he encountered an unexpected incident while sawing a tree. In order to ensure the safety of my home, I made the decision to have the nearly 90-foot-tall cottonwood tree in my yard trimmed, but taking down the trunk was the most dangerous part. In Olathe, KS, capture the tense moments before the tree falls safely to the ground. In March 2010, 2 men and a woman cut down a tree near the porch, and the tree fell on the porch. The incident highlights the dangers of cutting down trees near construction sites without careful planning. It seems he missed an important perspective and now has to face unexpected consequences. Be more cautious next time. Wow, just looking at the huge size of this cedar tree, even when it was hollowed out, it was enough to see that this was a difficult battle. Such giant trees do not appear often, and taking them down is truly an amazing achievement. Without the support of powerful machines, I really don't know what would happen next. Are you curious to know which machine did this? Each hanging large tree is a difficult question posed by nature, and the craftsman must find the most accurate answer. João, a wood plowman, and his team faced a challenge when more than 200 trees fell after the storm. Under harsh weather conditions, they worked continuously for 10 hours to collect and process wood. Each tree needs to be sawed and pulled by hand, a job that is strenuous and requires strength. Finally, they get the job done, bringing satisfaction after stressful hours. The ropes become invisible threads, gently guiding the top of the tree to land at the right place according to the wishes of the worker. A skillful performance combining power and precision. When sturdy trees suddenly rebel, they suddenly fall in unexpected directions, turning safety into danger in an instant. Blink. Sandy swept through Curious Joel, leaving behind a scene of devastation with large downed trees entangled in power lines. The Chavarim volunteer team quickly stepped in, using chainsaws to clear the path and ensure safety. Even though they face the risk of electric shock, they work tirelessly and coordinate smoothly to treat each tree one by one. Their dedication not only helps overcome the consequences, but also illuminates the spirit of solidarity in the community. One moment of carelessness, and he had put himself in a difficult situation. Always be careful. Oh my God. An unfortunate accident stemming from subjectivity reminds us that we cannot underestimate anything under any circumstances. On August 12, 2019, a powerful storm caused trees to fall in Holyoke, breaking and destroying many large trees, causing significant damage. With a powerful 72.2 cc engine, the STIHL MS500i easily takes down tough birch tree trunks. 6. 7 horsepower capacity combined with electronic fuel injection technology helps the machine operate stably, save fuel, reduce emissions, and protect the environment. The majestic ancient almond tree had its root system burned out after a forest fire. With its huge trunk and rotten base, the tree becomes a serious hazard, directly threatening human safety. Immediate tree removal is imperative to prevent the risk of collapse and ensure safety. The 560 XP is like a compact monster, possessing boundless power. This machine easily handles large tree trunks at incredible speeds, turning seemingly impossible tasks into simple ones. In 2022, Mark, a bonsai pruning artist, tested a new technique on a 20-meter-tall pine tree. Reaching the top of the tree, he suddenly realized he had forgotten to tie his seatbelt. While confused, he accidentally cut a large branch by mistake, causing the branch to fall to the ground and his colleagues laughing. Although the incident brought laughter, it reminded Mark that workplace safety and careful preparation cannot be taken lightly. Since then, he has always been more careful, turning this lesson into valuable experience. After the devastating storm, WF Track 2460 emerged as a hero, overcoming fallen trees and mud to protect precious timber and the forest. Led by Danny Sven Drager and his team, they combine the power of technology and a spirit of resilience, proving that determination can overcome any adversity, protecting the value of nature. Halverson HWP 140B, a giant in the world of firewood processing. With a powerful hydraulic system, the machine easily shreds the toughest logs, turning them into uniform pieces of firewood. Outstanding working performance saves users time and effort. This is truly an ideal warrior for all challenges in the woodworking industry. Vale Products, a mini excavator brush cutter, is the perfect companion for your garden. With a power of 30-40 horsepower and a compact, flexible design, the machine easily handles shrubs and weeds, bringing a neat, fresh look. Turn any space green, clean, and perfect in just a snap. The feeling of driving a Mercedes-Benz Arox 3358 with a tonnage of 32 tons on a small road in the snow-covered forest brings an exciting experience. Even though the road conditions were unfavorable, 4 wheels and steering assist technology helped me navigate sharp turns with ease. A powerful engine of 460 horsepower and 2,100 Nm of torque helps me handle all challenges. The roar of the engine mixed with the quiet space of the forest made me feel like I was conquering nature. This is considered an indispensable tool in forest cleaning activities, power line cleaning, or wood processing in urban areas called Woodcracker C. Applying the inherent hydraulic system helps produces large cutting force, allowing the machine to process large diameter logs. Thanks to its ability to quickly prune branches, this equipment not only saves time and effort, but also helps reduce risks for workers. In this ancient pine forest, the imprint of time is deeply engraved through each powerful saw. The sawyer stood next to the giant tree, 30 meters high and 1 meter in diameter, carefully using a 700 millimeter saw blade to cut. Each saw stroke echoed in the air, mixed with the sound of helicopter engines overhead, ready to transport these great tree stumps to the needed place. Each movement represents steadfastness, a constant battle with nature, affirming the strength and spirit of man. While pruning branches, an unexpected situation occurred when the top of the tree, 10-12 feet long, almost fell on the factory. Fortunately, it only fell onto a trailer containing heavy timber, causing no damage. A tense moment. Valmet 840.3. Overcome muddy roads and dangerous slopes with the 230 horsepower engine and excellent off-road capabilities. Like a warrior on a wooden battlefield, the operator skillfully adjusts each movement to optimize the ability to handle the wood. If you need a compact yet powerful tree stump grinder, SP7015 is the ideal choice. With an advanced self-propelled design, the machine delivers outstanding performance even in tight spaces. For just around $5,795, you'll easily remove tree stumps with minimal effort, turning a difficult job into a simple and effective task. The scene is amazing, as precise saw cuts remove crooked tree branches, protect healthy tree trunks, and arrange them neatly on conveyor belts, preparing them for the meticulous wood cutting process and delicate. Are you having trouble finding a powerful and efficient wood sawing solution? Fendu 80 is the perfect answer. With an impressive cutting force of up to 80 tons, the machine easily handles logs up to 31 inches in diameter. Flexible hydraulic sawing system combined with optional wood lift helps optimize the working process and increase productivity. This truck is a true monster, possessing crazy power. The operators are testing its limits, bringing great excitement to watch. Have you ever wondered how to quickly remediate soil in Florida? Let the Muck Spider excavator combined with the Prac LDM 50 broom surprise you. With outstanding power and optimal design, this machine turns chopping stubborn palm trees into a job as easy as child's play. Witnessing the Ural truck carrying wood stuck in the deep forest, sinking in the middle of a thick ice road mixed with mud, created a scary scene. Despite difficulties, it still stubbornly struggles to escape nature, proving its invincible strength. Meet the Woodpecker RP300, a powerful cutting machine designed to conquer any challenge. With the ability to handle branches up to 220 millimeters in diameter, the RP300 gets the job done thoroughly. The machine takes full advantage of the power from the hydraulic feeding system, integrated 3M conveyor belt and safety protection switch, ensuring outstanding performance and durability. With prices ranging from $1,800 to $112,000 USD, the RP300 is the ideal choice for large-scale projects. Save time and effort with a professional tree stump treatment tool set. The Woodland Mills WG24, combined with the Coyote CK2610 and rearview camera, provides a comprehensive solution for tree stump removal. Smart and easy-to-use design helps you get the job done quickly and effectively without having to spend too much effort. Transporting timber by rail offers many modern benefits, with giant trains cutting through the woods, creating a sound that resonates between the trees. This method not only reduces highway congestion and saves fuel, but also limits environmental impact, while embracing the nature of the forest it passes through. This is the process of cutting a 34-inch diameter log with a modern saw that only takes about 5 minutes, 6 times faster than traditional methods that usually take up to 30 minutes. The sturdy saw blade creates clean cuts without creating dust or noise, while increasing productivity by 50% and minimizing risk to workers, making woodcutting safer and easier. ensuring smooth operation in steep slope logging applications in Scotland. The Tigercat LH-845C, equipped with a telescopic boom, uses advanced hydraulics and a rugged design to easily handle difficult terrain, even when encountering fallen timber from storms. The telescopic boom allows the machine to reach and move trees precisely, helping the operator to fell trees, handle timber, and manage debris optimally. The enormous weight of the logs on the trailer was staggering as the truck struggled uphill, creating a cloud of smoke and dust. The engine roared and smoked in an effort to maintain grip with the road surface, but the immense weight seemed to be testing all its limits. Join us to learn about the optimal solution for the wood processing industry, allowing for quick processing of giant logs into wooden panels with a width of up to 900 millimeters and a maximum thickness of 80 millimeters. Meebor VRA 900 Edge Trimmer Opti has a cutting speed of 40 miles per hour min. The machine is capable of finishing from 60 to 80 wooden panels per hour, helping to increase productivity by up to 30% compared to traditional equipment. This marvel of engineering is not just a harvester, but a productive machine, doing the work of 10,000 men with just a flick of the joystick. The revolutionary three-frame design and fork boom technology keep the cabin balanced, even on difficult terrain. With panoramic views from the cabin, you will feel like you are flying high above the treetops, ready to conquer every road ahead. Dragging a ton of wood from the remote countryside is not for the faint of heart. Drivers had to handle more than 60 tons of raw wood on difficult terrain and in harsh weather conditions. They showed great skill and concentration and deserve to be honored for their dedication to this dangerous job. Harvester Eco Log with Log Max cutting head is a modern wood harvesting device that cuts, prunes, and classifies trees quickly. The Log Max cutting head handles large trees with sharp blades, reducing damage to trees and the environment. To increase longevity when working on muddy terrain, it is necessary to check the blade, hydraulic system, and engine, lubricate properly, and change the oil periodically. According to Rob Friedrichsen, who does burning because it's fun and less expensive, burning stumps instead of grinding stumps is quick and easy to do, but can cause fire spread and air pollution if not well controlled. However, you need to ensure safety, avoid fire spread, and check local regulations on burning stumps.